midterm video project for the class Info Technology 1 with Jonathan Forbes. First, my table of content. I'll talk to you about OSL Retail Services. It's the company I decided to present. After, I'll show you what we learned in Word Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. And I'll continue with Excel Chapter 5, 6, and 7. I'll finish with my source. First, what is OSL? OSL is a company that started a few years ago in Ontario, and it's now all over Canada. They are representing Walmart and a few big cell phone companies like Rogers, Telus, and Bell. They sell phone plan, and they are actually buying some part of the Walmart to increase the customer service satisfaction. What we learned in Word Chapter 5. We learned how to do a good resume. First thing to do, how to do it, is to write at the beginning of Word resume. So they'll show you some different template. Uh, and after we also learn how to send it. Like you can send it you can print it first. You can send it online so everyone can see it. You can also send it to someone uh, without them being able to change it. In real life, how I did it. Well, I only take a blank copy, and after I merge everything by myself, if we look, it's not really centered and doesn't really look professional. How I send it? Well, I send it. I just print it, and then I went to Walmart to give it to the manager. In Word Chapter 6, we learn how to do a professional letter. Um, and we also learn how to do it. First, how to do professional letter. You click on Edit Recipient List, and then you create your own recipient list. After, you select the person you want to send it, and then you change only like uh, what was the date, and you change the name of the person. You don't have to do it. It is all done by like Word. In real life, we're not doing real professional letter. It's only copy and paste. We have like one page that we're supposed to do, and we copy it, and like we change the name of the person to who sent it, the date, and we change a couple of information. And it's really long to do instead of just asking Word to do it for us. In Excel Chapter 5, we learn how to work with multiple worksheet. Um, well, first you just have to do a right click on the worksheet and then do select Alt Tab Sheet. So you'll be able to work on all the sheet at the same time. So if you have to do a couple of things like similar on every page, it's a big advantage. In real life, well, we're doing the same thing with Rogers, Bell, and Telus, but we're not using like um, in what we learned in chapter 5, uh, the multiple worksheet. So we do it for one, we erase everything. We're doing it for the second one, we erase everything. And after, we're doing for the third one, and then we're erasing everything. So it's really long instead of just doing everything and just changing the number for each of them. In Excel chapter 6, we learn how to create, sort, and do a query table. We also learn how to do an output area and rating table. So in short, like we have the table, we have the rating table and the output area. Um, the rating, in the table, we have like the rating table, so we can see if we're doing good or not. And there's the output area where the results are. In real life, they're kind of doing it because we enter like the number of cells we did per day, and then they show us if we did good or not. And every cell is protected, so they also use a worksheet protection. In Excel chapter 7, we learn how to import data. Um, it's easy, you just click on get data or from text or from web, so you can get data from everywhere. In real life, we don't really do this. We only copy and paste everything. If we cannot copy the data, well, we have to rewrite everything. So it's way longer than uh, how it's supposed to be with only here get data from the Excel get and transform data.